Chargebee is a subscription billing and recurring revenue management solution, primarily aimed at Saas, e-commerce, and digital media businesses, from zero revenue startups to pre-IPO businesses. Billing is infrastructure for businesses. It's what keeps the lights on. It's how people make payroll. So we're clearly one of the vital elements of a business, and therefore we have a very customer-focused service in that we're always available because everything that happens in our world is live. And that relationship with customers begins right from the sales process. We have to get our customers to trust us from day one and trust in our service before they test it. And the way that we do that is to have a degree of sales or a professional approach to sales that means that we're going to be trustworthy, that reflects the trust of our services. We have a fantastic inbound lead generation engine, lots of demand coming in every day, but we didn't really have a structured process as to what are deal stages, how are we segmenting customers based on their profile, based on their industry, based on their geography. First thing was having a basic process in the what are the sales motions. Second thing was the team didn't have targets. Problem came of the fact that we had Salesforce, but we didn't use it really. The instance was incredibly complicated, and so the question was how do we formalize this process into a CRM? And luckily at that time we met Freshsales. Sales team spends 8 out of 10 hours a day in the system. It has to be simple to use, intuitive. We scaled the team. We've 10x the size of the team in the past 2 years. We're going to 3x from 30 to 90 people in the next 12 months. In order to manage that type of scale, we needed a solution that was intuitive, simple, in interface and in use.
One of the main challenges that we have had is to kind of have a 360-degree view of all our conversations with a prospect. Our prospect reaches out to us through chat on our website and through our customer support Fresh Desk, which we use, and of course our conversations with our sales team through Freshsales. And one thing that I really love about Freshsales is that we have the 360-degree view where we have integrations between these two products, and any conversations that happen with the support team is captured within Freshsales, and when our sales agent has a conversation, they're able to have a contextual conversation around that. From a productivity perspective and from a prioritization perspective, we've told our teams to prioritize leads based on how strategic they are for Chargebee, and every time a lead comes up, signs up, and then we're able to integrate Freshsales with Slack, and our team gets an instant notification immediately when there is a must-win or a strategic lead that comes through. And we're able to attend to that lead immediately and get that attention of the prospect while they're on our website. And that definitely means a higher conversion rate when we attend to them within minutes of them signing up on our website.
First of all, I think the important part is the responsiveness of the Freshsales team. They're very open to our input on our needs, and I think that that's critically important as a growing business. The second point is that as we onboard so many new people, we have never had any issues with somebody coming into adoption of Freshsales, and I think that we can't underestimate how valuable that is to be able to have somebody from basically day one understand how the CRM works. The third point of Freshsales is that we have just the right amount of flexibility to be able to, as we grow, overhaul the system and change our process on a regular basis. I think we're now in a cycle where basically every 6 to 9 months we're changing almost our entire Freshsales instance, and we're able to cycle through those iterations very simply, and I think that as a growing company that's critically important.